Hi guys, it's Marie here. Welcome back to my channel. This channel is about bags, lifestyle and fashion, but mostly bags. I post videos every Friday, sometimes Monday and Wednesday. I'm always on a hunt for the perfect bag. If you're like me, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's enjoy bags together. I'm very excited today because, as you can see from the title and the thumbnail for this video, we've got the new Bottega Veneta bag unboxing. I've ordered the bag directly from the Bottega Veneta website, and I didn't plan to film unboxing today at all, but they delivered the bag way ahead of schedule, and that's why today we have, oh my god, box is so heavy. We have a proper unboxing. I haven't seen anything what inside, and I don't understand why the box is so big and so heavy, because obviously I do know what bag is supposed to be inside, but we're going to reveal everything what is packed inside the box together. And I'm really excited because this is my dream bag. I wanted this bag for a really long time, and I was contemplating between the sizes, between the hardware and the color, and finally I made this decision and I pulled the trigger. And I can't wait to reveal that and share that with you. And without further ado, let's remove that knitted robe. You know, like other fashion houses, they do like a fancy silky ribbons and the bows and camellias and so on. But Bottega Veneta does it their own way, and they do that with a knitted robe. And with that knitted robe, they created a handle, and it's actually quite comfortable and stable, you know, to lift it like that or carry it like this. I really like that idea, and obviously it's also Bottega Veneta green color, their signature color. So let's remove that one first to see what we have inside. Oh my gosh, the box is incredibly heavy and big. Okay, a little magnetic closure there. And then, opa. It's just a lot of tissue paper there, as you can see. Opa. And we have the bag. Oh, I'm going to put the bag just now there so I can check what else do we have inside the box apart from loads of tissue paper. We've got Bottega Veneta envelope. That's what I found there. And that's it. So we're going to put the massive box aside. We're going to open that envelope to see what we have inside. I'm going to try to open that neatly. So we have just a little Bottega Veneta here. And apart from that, it's just a simple, you know, white envelope. And inside we have just a little note, and that's it. Just like that. And it says, Bottega Veneta products are the result of the long-standing commitment to exceptional craft and creativity. We hope you enjoy your order. Okay. Thank you very much, Bottega Veneta. Now we are moving to this signature Bottega Veneta dust bag. Nice, beautiful, plushy, kind of like a dust bag, and a lot of tissue paper. Again, you can hear it and I can see it already. So we're removing the dust bag. You already can see that. You can already can guess what sort of bag it is. Oh, ta-da! Voila! And here we have Bottega Veneta Jodie bag in a small size with a gold hardware. I've been contemplating between the teen size, which is here. I'm going to show them both together. So this is the Bottega Veneta Jodie in the teen size. That one is a Bottega Veneta in a small size. I love the Jodie style. I don't like, that's the funny thing, I don't like the mini Jodie. Not my bag at all, but I absolutely love the small and the teen size. The price difference between them not that big, so I wasn't sure which one I like more, what color and what hardware. With the hardware it was pretty easy to choose because I usually tend to go for the gold hardware. So here it was no brainer either. But in relation to the size, I like how smaller in the sense of the capacity the teen bag is, but I didn't like the drop here. And here, I didn't like the actual how big it is in overall capacity and overall size of the bag, but I really like the drop because the drop allows me to easily wear the bag on the shoulder when I wear any oversized outfits. And you know, here in Scotland, we basically wear our oversized jackets, puffer jackets and the regular coats 6 months a year. I'm not going to lie, I'm not going to exaggerate if I say so. And that's why this drop is really important for me, to have this bigger drop to allow myself to wear this beautiful bag with oversized clothing as well. The main obstacle here was that teen size for Jodie bag is very popular size, and I can try it on in pretty much any department store for the luxury goods, when the small size is not that much. And for a really long time I couldn't try the both bags together just to compare the sizes, until I was in Istanbul airport in the Bottega Veneta boutique, and there they had the both sizes together. And as soon as I and I was wearing oversized jacket, how it's, you know, trendy just now, and as soon as I put the small size, the sales assistant, that's it. That's your size. And it looks so good on me, and I loved the actual size compared to the teen one. So since then, I put that note in my head that, yeah, it's a gold hardware and it's a small size. And the last question that I had to answer to myself and make a decision on was the color. And here, from the very beginning, I was like, no, I'm not getting black color. The black color is very universal, very versatile color, and I love how Jodie bag looks in the black color. It's just perfect. It's beautiful. However, I do have so many black bags, and that's why I said to myself, it's going to be any color from the black color. But at the same time, I didn't want to get myself involved with any light colors, any neutral caramel white colors in relation to the very gentle, very delicate lambskin leather. Yep, as we all know, the intrecciato is made of the lambskin leather. And I remember that, and I learned that lesson really hard way with my Bottega Veneta padded cassette. When the color transfer on the lamb leather, it's one of the main things that you need to be aware. That's why, because I'm going to use this bag a lot, my main thing that I kept in mind was it's going to be not a light color, no, but it's not going to be a black color. And then I was in between the beautiful space color. It's a kind of like something in between navy and teal. I love how Bottega Veneta name their colors, you know. Then I was leaning to the forest green color. It's a beautiful, very deep green color. And then again, in Istanbul airport, same night when I decided about the size of the bag of the Jodie, my Jodie, I tried this beautiful fondant color. And as soon as I tried fondant color, this chocolate, beautiful, deep, dark brown, I was like, yeah, that's it. That's the color I want. That's the color I'm after. And it's just gorgeous and beautiful. And I love that it's a very versatile and a neutral color as well, but it's unusual from our regular black color. So that's been a little story about how I choose the size and the color and the hardware for my small Jodie. Let's unpack it. Let's see what we have inside there. Again, loads of tissue paper. Then we have, ooh la la, I think it's certificate of quality. That's basically the lifetime guarantee of the Bottega Veneta products. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. And we have a beautiful, just a leather Bottega Veneta made in Italy. Nice little card holder, like a one single card holder. I think I can use that for actually like to be my mini card holder. What do you think? And then here we have the serial number, barcode, and Bottega Veneta, and it's like a solid metal little piece. Beautiful. I love that. I love this little addition to the bag. I'm going to check out more about the lifetime guarantee for the Bottega Veneta. I knew about that before, but I want to find out more details so I can tell you more about this when I'm going to do a proper review for this beautiful Bottega Veneta small Jodie. And I'm also going to do the comparison video between them too. Yep, so stay tuned. They are coming up very soon. What else do we have here? More tissue paper. Hello. And that's it. That's it. Nothing else inside. And like I usually say, it's a one big hole inside. So it's a lamb leather lining inside as well. It's a massive, absolutely massive size. I'm going to measure that for the proper review, but it's like absolutely massive zipped pocket. And here we have something else there. Let's go to check what we have there. It's a wear and care instruction. I'm going to study that as well, but we're going to put that aside for just now. So yeah, and also inside we have Bottega Veneta made in Italy embossing on this pocket. Gold hardware. And that's it. And again, as I said, one big haul. As I mentioned before, bag is made of the 100% lambskin leather, and this is the signature intrecciato, this weaving, which the founders of the house came up in 1960s. They wanted to create something that will make their brand outstanding, something apart from the logo. When the people could look at the bag and they were like, wow, that's Bottega Veneta, without even looking into the logo and branding or anything like that. And this is how they come up with weaving intrecciato weaving. And also been the other kind of like a commercial reason behind that. So this is the kind of like a marketing story, but the other commercial reason behind the creation of the intrecciato weaving was that they really wanted to do the leather goods, but they didn't have, the founders of the Bottega Veneta fashion house, they didn't have any machinery, to work on the thick, more durable cowhide leather or calfskin leather. And that's why they created this weaving, which is done by hands. You don't need heavy machinery for that, but at the same time, it's a just piece of art created by people, for other people who really appreciate this craftsmanship and the quality. As I already mentioned, I'm going to do the full review on this beautiful Bottega Veneta small Jodie bag, but just now I really wanted to share quickly some first impressions. What I expected here, I expected this beautiful intrecciato weaving. When I touched the bag, it's so soft, nice, and just a beautiful. This is the quality, you know, the famous Bottega Veneta leather quality. And I know that the intrecciato weaving actually adds some durability to the delicate lambskin leather. I know that the bag is going to age gracefully, but I will keep you updated how it's going to age. Then I also want to add that I really like that Oh, deep, deep drop there, which allows me to wear my bulky outfits with that one. For the quick comparison, I'm going to put the teen bag just now so you can see. Yep, so it's easy go just now on my shoulder because I don't have any bulky outfit. Yes, the cardigan is kind of like a biggish, but not as big as oversized coats or a jacket could be. But that's the difference in the drop, as you can see, between the teen and the small size. I love the bag. I really liked it. I like how, like, it's somewhere in between quite luxury, low-key bag, but at the same time, you look at the bag and you know, as I said, you know it's a Bottega Veneta intrecciato weaving. That's what they are famous for. You know that it's a Bottega Veneta. And also, you just love the bag straight away. I do love the bag straight away. It looks so unusual. I love this brown fondant color. It's a chocolate. I love chocolate. It's a coffee. I love coffee. Yeah, I'm really happy with my purchase and I can't wait to deliver the full review after a few weeks of trying and wearing this bag, and I can't wait to share more information about this beautiful Bottega Veneta small bag with you. And that's me for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know where to find thumbs up, subscribe button, notification bell, and I will see you next time. Bye!